Hey class, Mr. Rout here. Brain teaser number 2. I'm not sure if I'm looking exactly in the middle of the screen because I still have to flip the phone around because I'm not as technically savvy as what you are. But here it goes. I know some of you get a giggle out of that. Brain teaser number 2, here we come. Okay, what we are going to do is first we're going to review some things that we've gone over. But most importantly right now, I want you to know that you will need an adult for this. You have to have an adult to help you with this. I do not want you to attempt it without an adult. Adult. An adult is not your 15-year-old brother or sister. An adult is a parent, an uncle, an aunt, a grandparent, an adult. Okay, we're going to talk about 3 things that we've talked about before: active transport, osmosis, and diffusion. All of these get something from outside the cell to inside the cell. Okay? So, active transport, we know, needs energy. There has to be energy to go out, open up, grab whatever material it is, and allow that to come into the cell. But that takes energy. We're not going to use this one today. Osmosis. Osmosis and diffusion are similar, but osmosis only deals with water, going from a high pressure area to a low pressure area. We're not going to work on that today. We are going to work on diffusion. Same as osmosis, except now you're bringing another particle in. Some type of mineral maybe, some type of molecule of something is coming in, but it's not using up energy. It is using an area of high pressure and an area of low pressure. We know that it moves from the high pressure to the low pressure area. Okay? So this is the brain teaser. What I have here is I have what I'm going to consider a cell. Okay, this is a glass bottle. You're going to need a glass bottle of some type. I hope this is one that's big enough to do the trick. This is Frappuccino from either my son or my wife. I do not drink coffee, so it's not for me. But what we want to do is consider this either the cell membrane or the cell wall. We'll say the cell membrane. Okay, and we're trying to get something inside of here. What I have here is a hard-boiled egg. One of the reasons that you have to use an adult is because you need to boil a hard-boiled egg. Well, it's not hard-boiled until after you boil it. But our goal is to use diffusion, okay, to get this particle inside of this bottle. So we're not going to force it in. We're not going to break it up and put it in. We're going to get this to go into the bottle without touching it. Now we're going to need to pick it up, put it back down, but other than that, this is going to go into the bottle without something touching it at that time. Okay? And we are going to use high pressure, low pressure to do it. Okay? See if you can figure that out. But again, I am going to tell you, you need to have an adult help you. Adult. I'll give you the answer tomorrow.